I'll show you how you can properly turn on an AC, right? An air conditioner. So if you look right there, there is my AC and it's currently off. So if I want to properly turn it on, what I'm gonna do right now, if you look right here, there's a switch. So I'm gonna first turn this on, right? Once I've turned it on, our AC is currently on. So what I'm gonna do right now, this is my bedroom. You can see, if you use the red button, I'm gonna turn it off. If you use the red button again, I'm gonna turn it off on, right? So I can use this as well to reduce or increase the volume, right? So you can see it. This is how you can properly turn on an AC in a bedroom. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I'll see you all in the very next